Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll see how to set up the development environment for React.js and also to run the Hello World React app. I feel the best way to get started is to go to the official repository of Facebook and take the tutorial. So this is an introduction to React. Uh, I the best way to get started with React is actually follow the official docs. So in this tutorial, we'll be building a tic-tac-toe game. And what are the prerequisites? First is you need to know HTML and JavaScript, and also some of the latest ES6 syntax such as arrow function, classes, let, and constant statement. So right now, what we're going to do is to set up the development environment. There are 5 steps, maybe 2 steps. Make sure you have the recent version of Node.js installed. So visit the Node.js website and install for your appropriate platform. If you're a Windows user, go for Windows. If you're Macintosh, install for Macintosh. Once you have installed it, just type node. You'll get a terminal like this, and you type console.log node install. You should get the same node installed, or you can see node version and npm version. Okay, this clearly shows that the node is installed. We have version 6.10.3. And once you have node installed, what's next? Follow the installation instruction. Let's see what's in the installation instruction. So Facebook has React as a flexible, can be used in a variety of objects. You can use it with a lot of things. See, create React app is the best way to start building a React single page applications. So to use a create React app command line tool, what you have to do is you have to go to the command line and type sudo wait till the React create React app is installed. Once it is installed, we can create a new application. We are going to create a new application using it. Sudo create React app, my first React app. I would recommend you to use Yarn. Yarn is an amazing package manager similar to npm. Visit yarnpackage.com to install it for your appropriate platform. So you can use, it's a fast, reliable, and secure dependency management. It takes care of everything what is needed for, and it is quite fast, and it has around like 25,461 forks or stars. Okay, uh, you can get started with that. Let this run. It is taking some time solving packages. It is fetching the packages, all the dependencies such as React, React DOM, Babel. There's a lot of couple of dependency package. So for Mac users, you can either use brew install yarn to get it done, or you can use Windows command line for Windows installer, or you can use a chocolately to get it installed. For Linux, I guess apt is there. You might have to add the repositories or sources.list, and after updating the sources.list you might be able to access it. Okay, uh, let's see if our dependency package is there. Okay, so React is a beautiful library file, and create React app does not handle the backend logic or database. So it just creates a front-end build pipeline so you can use it with any backend you want. It uses build tools like Babel and Webpack under the hood, but works with zero configuration. Is the best way to build. Facebook is using this, and maybe you can use this. You want to try React, you can try it in the HTML using the hello world example code, or you can use this. You can add React to the internal using this. Okay, let's see what is the status. Okay, we got it installed. Now what you have to do is you have to go to the current directory and give sudo yarn start. If you don't have yarn, you might have to use sudo npm start. Wait till the development server starts. Once the development server is up, we can have our hello world boilerplate app ready and we can start. So on local network, you can access in localhost 3002. Welcome to React. Now let us use the Atom editor to open this project and see what's inside this my first React app. Let's go to file, open, and it's in hackers, my first React app, open. So inside source we have app.js. App.js, these are some of the library packages which we imported from yarn or npm. We're importing React and the component, and this is our component. This is what is rendered here. Welcome to React, and we saw the paragraph tag. This is quite similar to HTML. That is the main reason why React and JSX is so user friendly that people just love it. So welcome to React. The JSX takes care of it. You can say hello, this is my first app. So all you have to do is click save. Once it is saved, it refreshes itself. Hello, this is my first React app. So this basically has a main component called app where it is being exported. We will look in the next video on how to create a complex, simple component, simple class-based component for your app. We'll see how to make simple class-based app. And by the way, always remember to check if your code is compiled properly. This might throw some few errors or compilation problem. It says logo is defined but never used. Maybe you can remove it. Yeah, compile successfully. This clearly shows whether our source is being properly written or compiled properly. If there is in case of any missing, we can see this. So always have an eye on the terminal to know what is the status of the project build or not. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.